I just came home from work. Thought I would make a video of my place. That's petrified wood. It's all from RH. I did a Google review and I got a couple thousand responses. So this is also from RH. That's they call it a weave chair. It's all real leather. It's serious stuff, man. Oak. I got a 6 set of the chairs. Got 2 more in here for my desk. That's the aviation desk. Got whatever it's called, I forgot. Real leather. It's good stuff, man. This is the best. It's top grain leather. And they're huge. These are huge squares. This is Russian reclaimed oak wood. It's actually all Russian reclaimed oak, or somewhere from Europe. And that damn coffee table, I can dance on that thing. I've done it lots, and my niece does too. It doesn't even move. I cannot lift it off the ground myself. RH2. This is also, I saw a beach theme in one of their flyers. That's not from RH, that little thing. That's a sandstone. It was hard to find, actually. If somebody manufactures those, they'll sell, I guarantee you. The bed was the best. I told them I want the best. It's a freaking thick, that's a 4-inch slab. I'm a rock climber. I know how to hold stuff. This is a serious hold. The sheets, I told them I want the best. Give me the best. Everything was just straight from the store. The pillows, everything. That fabric's called, forgot. Linen. Oh yeah, I like linen. There's a new thing I've picked up recently. So I started buying linen. It's a nice rug. That's a thick rug too. This is no joke. Like, my thumb is 1 inch thick, and like, look at that. Like, you can't see it. It's huge. It's awesome, man. It feels good on my feet. I like it. It's the way to do it, man. Like, there's more wool on that rug. You can't see it from here, but there's more wool on that rug than most people will ever have in their life. That was called mohair. Whoa. They'll never have that much. Gorgeous view, man. I love this place. I just love it, man. I got the little fire pit thing and these pastel houses all around the area and the mountains, river. If you're standing out there, you got a river view. I don't want to show you any more than that. It's too private, but